Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Nerds channel. Today we are going to be learning how to change your email address on Facebook. Changing your email address on Facebook involves a few simple steps. First of all, open the Facebook app. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu and scroll down. Tap on Setting and Privacy. After that, tap on Setting. In Setting and Privacy, you can see here Account Center. Tap on it and scroll down. Tap on Personal Details. In Personal Details, you can see here Contact Info. Tap on it. In the bottom, you can see here Add New Contact. Tap on it. After that, tap on Add Email Address. After that, enter the new email address. After that, choose Facebook account for this email address and tap on next. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.